Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a Steam account to purchase and play games on PC, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration and setup. Step 1. Download the Steam Client application from store.steampowered.com using your web browser. Click the Install Steam button in the top right corner. Step 2. Run the Steam installer file that you downloaded. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the Steam application on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. Step 3. Launch the Steam application after installation is complete. The Steam client will open and display a login screen. Step 4. Click Create a new account or join Steam to begin the registration process for your new Steam account. Step 5. Enter a valid email address that you have access to. This will be your primary contact method and login username for Steam. Step 6. Complete the reCAPTCHA verification to prove you are not a robot. This is a standard security measure. Step 7. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Steam. Open the email and click the verification link or enter the code provided to verify your email address. Step 8. After verification, return to the Steam client and create a strong password for your account. Then choose your Steam username and country. Complete your profile by adding optional information like an avatar and bio. Your Steam account is now active and ready to browse, purchase, and play games. Enable Steam Guard two-factor authentication for additional security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.